Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Mario, and today we're going to be talking about one of Premiere Pro's newest features, which is the speech to text function. Let's go. So I hope you're all doing well, and it's great to see you back here again. If you're new here, I create weekly videos on filmmaking, editing tutorials, and gear review. If that's something you think you'll be into, hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for being here again. Your support is always appreciated. So about the fall of 2020, Premiere Pro announced a bunch of different features that were rolling out along with Adobe Sensei. And one of them that I was really excited about was the speech to text function. So it has been out for a few creators in the beta function, but now if you have Premiere Pro 15.0, you have access to this. So you're able to get speech to text captions pretty much automatically in just one click. YouTube is able to do something like this as well. If you upload your video to YouTube, you'll notice that sometime later that will have auto-generated captions. They're not 100% correct, but at least you don't have to start from scratch. You can go in later on and edit all the mistakes that YouTube has generated. The problem with that is that it does take some time for YouTube to generate those automatic captions. There's a workaround. You can upload your video a couple of days before it goes live so that YouTube can work on that in the back end, and you can go in and edit any mistakes that you see before your video goes live. All right, so let's jump into Premiere Pro and let's see how this is done. In order for you to be able to access this, you're going to have to be in Premiere Pro version 15.0. You can also find this in the beta app if you are part of the Experience Partner program. If you don't see 15.0 in your own Creative Cloud, it's probably just a matter of time before you get to see it. Right now in Premiere Pro, I have a video loaded, which is one of my previous videos where I review a USB mic. I've cut it to just about 1 minute and 36 seconds. So we go to the Captions workspace, and right away we see that we have this window right here. It says transcribe sequence. So we're going to click on the tab that says transcript. You click on create transcription and another window opens up. You can go and select which audio track you want Adobe Premiere Pro to analyze. So over here, I'll select either a mix or one of the audio tracks. I'll select audio 1, which is the audio track that I have here, and language will be English. And next you click transcribe. But before I click on it, for 1 minute and 35 seconds of video, let's see how long it takes Premiere Pro to generate these captions. So let's time it. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Feels like when you're waiting for the bus and it says that the bus is gonna get here at that time, and sometimes it's not really at that time that it gets there. It's been 1 minute and we're almost done. Done. 1 minute and 8 seconds. This is crazy. This is so fast. Normally, transcribing this manually, 1 minute and 35 seconds of video would probably take me, if I'm fast and very focused, maybe half an hour or 25 minutes. But this was literally done in 1 minute and 8 seconds. Now all I need to do is just go back and edit this. This is insane. Now that we have this auto-generated, you can either play back your video and edit these here, or you can edit these later on when you create the actual captions file. So let's go ahead and create captions. Click on create captions. The ones above, Australian, CEA 608, CEA 708, these are closed captions, meaning that these are captions that the user can select to turn on or off when they're watching the video. And the other ones under are open captions, which are captions that are burned into the video. In the export, you're able to select whether you want your captions to be burned into the video or export a separate SRT file, which you would then upload onto YouTube or whichever video streaming software or website you're using. So we'll just select subtitle, click OK, and we'll create from sequence transcript. And Premiere Pro will be generating that. And you see that right away, we see a brand new layer. Premiere Pro now has a brand new separated designated layer for captions or subtitles, which is right above the video layer right here. And these captions have been automatically generated in time to our video. Now, when we're here, we can just go ahead and click in and edit your captions as desired. You can also style your captions. If you're going to burn in your captions or bake them into your video, meaning that the user won't be able to turn them on or off, they're going to be on your video the entire time. You can actually select your individual font, your color, and whether you want it to have a stroke or a background. So that's pretty cool, and you can do it all in here in Premiere Pro. So the captions so far are pretty spot on, for the name of the company, but this I can just go in easily and edit that. But everything else seems pretty good. I'm pretty satisfied with this. So once you're done styling your captions, you can go ahead and export this video. File, export, media. And then under the captions tab in the export window, you can select whether you want to burn your actual captions into the video or create a sidecar file. And this is where you would go and create that SRT file, which is the most commonly used if you want to upload your own captions file onto YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. And then you will click on export and that's it. I want to test something else. I want to put in my entire 10-minute review video of this microphone in here and see how long Premiere Pro takes to create these captions for me. I'm thinking it'll probably take 8 minutes. It'll probably take Premiere Pro 8 minutes to do this. Let's see if I'm correct. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. It says 5 minutes remaining. Let's see if that's actually true. Pretty sure that it's not gonna be what I guessed. I guessed 8 minutes. I was wrong. Transcribing sequence. Is it gonna be under 5 minutes? 4:55. Done. 5 minutes, 33 milliseconds for a 10-minute and 20-second video. This is just a lifesaver feature, and I'm so happy, so glad that Premiere Pro has come out with this. Another cool thing about this subtitle track is that you can layer different subtitles. For example, if you have different languages, different translations for your video. I hope this feature really blows your mind the same way it blew mine. Anyways, that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it and learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button. That would really help and support this channel. So thank you again so much for watching. Before you leave, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And until next time.